Hi, this is Daniel from 1% Property here with your weekly market update, coming to you a day late on Friday, the 15th of January 2021. So what has been happening in one of the first real weeks back at work in Brisbane, in Queensland, in KEDRON and the surrounding areas in our beautiful neighbourhood? Well, in Queensland, we had 1,068 sales in the last 7 days. It's a really good result, shows that things are starting to ramp back up for what's looking like it's going to be a really exciting January. Auction clearance rate of 100%. Now, don't get too excited. There were only 2 auctions this week. Both of them sold, which is obviously good. In the inner north, there were 24 sales. That's a little subdued on what we saw in December. But again, we're just starting to sort of build back up into people looking at property and buying homes again after the Christmas break. A couple of notable sales in the area. 1/246 Pickering Street is sold and settled. That was sold by myself. Beautiful little townhouse in Gaythorne. That one was on the market with another agent and another agency for 355 days. Unsold. We took it over, sold it in 7 days, and a very, very happy and relieved vendor. So congratulations there. 25 Kiama Street in Wavell Heights sold for $1,231,000. Another really good result in Wavell Heights. It's really exciting to see more and more properties in Wavell Heights selling in the 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, even 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 range, which is really, really exciting for the suburb. 6 at 94 Lecky Road in Kedron. Another great result. 3-bedroom apartment sold for $412,000. It's in one of the older 1970s style buildings, so it's a really good result there as well. At 1% this week, we have been busy. We settled on 1/246 Pickering Street in Gaythorne. We also launched 17 Sedgemoor Road in Stafford Heights. Stunning little 3-bedroom home. We had our first open home on Thursday and had more than 100 people through the door on a Thursday morning on a work day. Now that is incredible. It shows how strong the market is at the moment. It is big, big things for our local area. This week, we just finished up the video today for 205 at 58 Thistle Street in Lutwyche. Stunning apartment, 3-bedroom home. It overlooks the Kedron Brook. It's right on the cusp of the Kedron Brook. It's got beautiful views. It is perfect for anyone with a dog, with kids, anyone that loves walking. It is a stunning home. If you think that's what you're looking for, please get in touch. We also will be launching 186 Turner Road in Kedron in the coming weeks. A beautiful little renovator, little 2-bedroom renovator on Turner Road in Kedron. Great location, walking distance to the schools. 23 Hunter Street in Everton Park. That one is coming in the next week or so. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath Queenslander style home in Everton Park, across the road from Terralba Park. Great location, really, really nice home. Perfect for a young family. Also 8 at 2 Riverton Street in Clayfield. A beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath apartment with a really big entertainer's deck. That is coming on the market in the next few weeks. Lots and lots of gorgeous homes coming up in the next few weeks. So if you are looking for a house, or you're looking to sell, or you have any questions about property, please get in touch. 0424 585 391. A few things I've noticed in the media this week. Loan deferrals is something I've been following very, very closely. How many people are deferring their loans? Obviously as we're coming towards March when a lot of those subsidies are going to stop. Good news there is at our peak, there were 11% of the mortgages were being deferred. We're now down to 2.8%, which really indicates that people are electing to repay their mortgages, which means hopefully we're not going to be going off any sort of fiscal cliff. People are coping and people are doing much better than obviously they were, say, 6 months ago. Another really interesting article I read this week was asking the question, will less travel mean more first home buyers? So people can't do their gap year. They can't do their traveling around the world. Where normally people would spend quite a bit of money on travel, now it's looking like people are saving money and actually going forward and buying their property earlier. So it's going to be an interesting trend to watch over 2021 is how the lack of travel and the more available cash and the more available money is helping people actually get into the property market earlier than they might have a couple of years ago. Thank you for tuning in to this week's property market update. If you would like to get an update of the specific value of your property based on all of these fantastic sales that are going on in the area, please go to our website linked below, www.1percentproperty.com.au. There's a quick form there. Send me a few details about your home and I will get a property report out to you within 24 hours to give you an understanding of exactly where you stand in the current property market. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've had a fantastic week so far, and I hope the second half is even better.